Today I'm hanging out with Jimmy Nguyen of Buddha's Nails, and he is going to be showing us 2 different Halloween designs that you can easily recreate on your own nails at home.
Today we're gonna do pumpkins for Halloween. So you do half circles. By the time you finish your thumb, the first one should be pretty dry now.
Okay.
So you just go back and do the second layer.
2 layers of orange here.
Yes, just to repeat the process. And next step, you can use a brown or a dark orange.
Okay.
To do the stem. You also want to make sure you have acetone, because when you're working with polish, it dries pretty quick.
Okay.
You can also go to like your craft store to buy acrylic paints. It's much easier to work with. So you just do a little stem. So the next step, you would get green.
All right, we've got a nice neon green here.
Just to do the little twirls. So this is where the acrylic paint comes in.
Okay.
So then you can use this to do your little faces. Just do little triangles.
I'm trying really hard to watch, but also not move. Oh, he's so cute. Look at that. Look at how
for the pumpkins.
cute those are. But I do think I could do this with a little practice.
Of course. Anybody can.
Blood. We are going on to blood. All right, we've got our acetone prepared.
Now I'm going with Lava Red from D&D.
Ooh, that's like a Ferrari red.
And I have this daughter. I'd use the big end. I would do little dots. Dot here. Say a big dot here. And a small dot there.
So just different size dots
Yeah,
on the nail.
different size dots.
Okay, but about 3 per nail.
Yeah, about 3.
Okay.
Back, and you would use your brush to just draw in the cuticle area.
Okay.
Like that to make it easier.
Okay.
And then,
And slowly bring in your paint up.
yeah, just bring the paint up to connect. You want to make sure the tops are round.
Mm-hmm.
Just so it looks like it's a drip.
Yeah, it's almost like a triangle
Mm-hmm.
kind of shape to connect the dots.
Yeah.
So cool.
You know, I can do another one.
Sure, why not? Do you have another one? What's another one?
I can.
Let's play.
You can do spider webs. Let's do
Oh
spider
yeah,
webs.
we'll do some spider webs.
Let's do the lines.
It's like little swoops.
Yeah, little swoops.
And you do them at the same line.
Yeah, we're randomly just, you don't want them touching.
You do a spider.
Yeah, you can do a spider.
And like these little daughters, I'm sure you could pick them up at a craft store.
Yeah.
Michael's or, okay. So we've got like our head and our body.
Mm-hmm. Just do little legs.
Oh yeah, see, I would probably rock something like this. Like I would just do like a couple little accents and I'd be good to go.
Yeah. And then we can jump to the next one. We can do white dots.
What are we
So
creating?
Little eyeballs.
Oh, yes. Oh my gosh.
Say for the ghost, you go like this.
These almost look like Nightmare Before Christmas nails.
Yeah.
Look at that.
There's just so many simple Halloween designs. It's
Yeah. I mean, we did all of these in like 5 minutes too. These are my kind of nails because I like it when it's just like a little pop of like something extra.